Hey guys, Jay here. I got a new program I want to introduce. So, as you know, I do financial modeling work and spreadsheet work for hundreds of clients, thousands now, and a lot of stuff I do end up never making it onto the site. Here we've got well over 200 financial models that I've done, overview videos for, written up specific descriptions for, and they're on here available for sale between $45 and $75 one-time fee. However, what I want to do is give people access to more of the work I do that does not get listed here at Smart Helping or anywhere else. So what I thought was, what about a subscription service where I can update a data file with spreadsheets that I do that I don't list anywhere else that are just, client work that I've done from scratch. And I thought, well, I could update that file, and that would be a good subscription service, I think, for Smart Helping customers, community. um, Now all these files are sanitized, and the main thing is, so I thought, one-time setup fee of 199 because you're initially going to get, as this thing grows over time, you're going to get a lot of spreadsheets up front, and then every month I'll be adding, three, four, five spreadsheets to it, just depending on how busy I am with client work every month. So you're paying $40 for the ongoing new templates, and you're doing a one-time fee of 199. You can obviously cancel at any time, and this is all done through PayPal subscribe. You can also use a debit or credit card. So let me get into some more specifics. So the data file is going to be accessible through a Google Sheet link. And every time I update that file, you'll see you can access the Google Sheet link and just download the new file. So just in real time, as I update that file, you can go back to your link, access it, and download the new spreadsheets at no problem at any point. So not much administrative work for me to do. I just have to maintain a single data file, and obviously, once your email it has subscribed, I can put your email in there, and I'll see the subscription email. And then if you end the subscription, all I will do is just remove access of your email to that data file. So it's pretty good on my end. I've been trying to think of something for years of what kind of subscription service makes sense, and I think this makes a whole lot of sense because I do a lot of work that doesn't get posted anywhere that I think is valuable. So all on these client files that I do, it's going to be work I build for clients from scratch. Um, it will also contain new logic I build for clients and customizations I do for clients that are for existing Smart Helping spreadsheets. If you're a client and send me a spreadsheet to do a slight modification on, that won't be added to this. If you have an entire enterprise-wide spreadsheet system that I end up working on for you, that will also not be added to this. This is mainly work I do for clients that I've done on my own, with my own stuff for them that I just end up not posting anywhere because I don't have the time to build all the videos and stuff, but I still think it's valuable. Uh, So includes files I built from scratch for clients, includes modifications. You will get access to the complete data file immediately after subscribing. That's why there's a one-time fee. I continuously add to the data file in real time. These files are only available through this subscription. You will have access to the Excel files as long as your subscription is active. All files are sanitized for privacy, and you can learn what the clients are actually paying me to build. And files sanitized for privacy, so I will not use any spreadsheets with client names on them or any identifying information or any data that's relevant. These sheets will be completely clean and ready for use, and that's kind of, basically once they're finalized by the client, said, okay, this is great. I'll go through the sheet. I'll uh, save it as a different document and remove any information, all owner information. So all that subscribers are getting is the base logic. You're paying for logic and learning uh, uh, how these things are set up, and you can use them. Obviously, they're fully editable and unlocked. Um, so I think this is a pretty cool subscription service. It makes sense, I think, for all parties. I think the pricing makes sense. I am open to feedback though on this whole process and how it goes for people. And yeah, we'll see. So that's the Smart Helping Plus subscription. Um, and note, I don't know if I mentioned it, but that has nothing to do with all these other spreadsheets that I build. Obviously, I've got hundreds here that I've been selling for many years. None of these are going to be included in this subscription program. It does not include any of those in it, nor will it. It's just something where like I've got a ton of value on my computer of stuff I've done, and I have, I don't, it's not going to go up on the site, but it's still, I think it'd be valuable to a lot of different people that just want to learn how different things work. So you can get access to it through just a single data file that I'll just keep updated. Alrighty, well that's all I got for you on this one. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.